You have day 3 of Unit 7, Week 2. We are discussing our words that have the W sound at the beginning. Please look at the words, and on the back of our cards, if you were actually holding a card, will have the word on the back. But as I click, you will see the word following the picture. Our first picture is walrus. Here, this is how we spell walrus. Next, we have a watch. This is how we spell the word watch. Watch. Next, we have water. Here's how we spell the word water. Here we have a delicious fruit. They call it watermelon. This is how we spell watermelon. Watermelon is a compound word. It's two words put together. Water and melon. Together makes watermelon. Here we have a web. This is the word web. Here we have a large mammal. We call it a whale. This is how we spell the word well. The E is silent. You don't hear it. It just stays right here so that we can really hear this letter sound. So that's why we say well. Here, they're pointing to the wheel. Don't say bicycle, because remember, these are all words that begin with letter W. We have a wheel. And here is the word ill spelled for you. Don't see many of these unless you're probably in a hospital, but this is a wheelchair. Not only is it a chair, but it also has wheels on it so that you can use the wheels to help you to go. If you cannot walk, or you're feeling dizzy, or you're sick, or maybe your leg is broken or something like that, people use a wheelchair. Let's see how wheelchair is spelled. There it is, wheelchair. Wheelchair is a compound word. There's the word wheel, and the other word is chair. Together, wheel and chair together makes wheelchair. Next word is whistle. Whistle, you blow through this part of it, and the air comes out of here, and it makes a sound which we call a whistle. It's a loud, piercing sound that you can hear from far away. Let's see how we spell whistle. There we have whistle. Our next word is window. Window. We have windows in our classroom, and I'm sure you have windows at your school, but we have window. What's the word? Window. Let's see how we spell the word window. There's the word window. Next, we have a wolf. Wolf looks like a dog, but he's not a dog. He is a wolf. And here's how we spell the word wolf. This this is a picture of a wrist. Each of you have a wrist, but I did not want to include it in our lesson, but it's included because wrist begins with letter W, but it doesn't make the W sound. These two letters together, W and R, when you see those two letters together, it makes a R sound. But we're not talking about that, but they included it in words that have a W sound. Included it in words that begin with W, but it does not have a W sound. Okay? So here are all your words and all of your pictures that are included in this lesson. What you're going to do, now that you know and have reviewed all of those words, you can go back and write the words and draw 5 pictures that begin with the W sound. And the words are spelled here for you. Okay? Thank you for listening. At the end of the lesson, you know, always put your materials away. If you need Ms. Jones, always feel free to raise your hand. Once you are done, you can put your journal away. Thank you, and see you next time.